Welcome, kids! Let's learn science.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.
Before we begin, make sure you have the following: a small dry erase whiteboard, a dry erase marker, and an eraser. Listen carefully to each question. When the question is finished, a timer will appear on the screen to give you time to think. Write the letter of your answer on your whiteboard. When the timer ends, hold up your whiteboard so everyone can see your answer. Our lesson for today is about types of energy, sound, light, heat, and electric currents.
Let's begin. Which image best shows electrical energy changing into light? And the correct answer is letter B, glowing bulb. A moving ball bumps into a still ball. How does the second ball start moving? And the correct answer is letter B, energy transfers during the collision. Electrical current happens when electricity moves from one place to another. Which image best shows electrical current? And the correct answer is letter C, glowing wire.
A drum makes grains of rice shake on plastic wrap. Why do the grains move? And the correct answer is letter A, sound energy causes vibrations. What does the table show? And the correct answer is letter C. Brighter light warms surfaces more. A flashlight shines on dark paper. How does the paper become warmer? And the correct answer is letter C. Light energy changes into heat.
What does the table show? And the correct answer is letter B, heat moves to cooler objects. A warm spoon is placed in cool water. How does heat move between them? And the correct answer is letter A. Heat moves toward cooler water. What does the graph show? And the correct answer is letter B. Closed circuits light more bulbs.
A switch closes in a circuit connected to a bulb. How does the bulb begin glowing? And the correct answer is letter C. Energy travels through the closed circuit. What can students learn from the line graph? And the correct answer is letter B. More current makes motors spin faster. An electric current flows through a small motor. How does the motor begin spinning? And the correct answer is letter A. Electrical energy changes into motion.
Which image best supports a true statement about electrical energy flow? And the correct answer is letter B. Complete circuit. A buzzer is connected to a battery. How does the buzzer make sound? And the correct answer is letter B. Electrical energy changes into sound. Which image best supports a true statement about electrical heating? And the correct answer is letter C. Warm wire.
Electric current moves through a wire. How can the wire become warmer? And the correct answer is letter A. Electrical energy changes into heat. Which image shows energy moving from one object to another? And the correct answer is letter C. Bat hitting ball. A lamp shines across a room onto a table. How does energy reach the table? And the correct answer is letter A. Light energy travels through space.
Which image shows sound energy causing movement? correct answer is letter C, shaking paper. Warm hands hold a cold ice pack. How does heat move between them? And the correct answer is letter A. Heat moves toward colder objects. Which image shows greater energy transfer to blocks? And the correct answer is letter B, rolling toy car.
A flashlight shines across a room onto an object. How does the light reach the object? And the correct answer is letter A. Light energy travels through open space. Which image shows the setup that can make a bulb light? And the correct answer is letter C, complete circuit. Two objects collide and change motion. How can energy transfer explain this change? And the correct answer is letter A. Energy moves between objects during collisions.
Out of 20 for questions, how many did you get right? Type your score in the comments section. If you want a printable copy of these task cards, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.